Good afternoon and welcome to the Innovative Technology Strategy presentation for Winfield United. My name is Nick Seibert and I'm the CSI and CSO for Winfield United, and I'm going to be discussing with you today some different strategy tools for Winfield United as it applies to its ag technology strategy. Let's review our agenda for today's presentation. We'll first start reviewing the value proposition for Winfield United, followed by the current business strategy. Then we'll take a look at how Winfield United uses ag technology and IT services. We'll also review issues facing ag technology integration for Winfield United and others in the agricultural space. Then we'll look at ag technology tools and strategy tools to help us design a new business strategy. Then we'll bring it all together with a new aligned overall business strategy for Winfield United. Why purchase from Winfield United? Because of our value-added business strategy, which provides agronomic insights to its growers through 200+ answer plot sites, our NutriSolutions soil and plant testing program, and our R7 Ag Tech tool. Through our AgriMind program, which provides data for growers, we collect and analyze national sales data and provide competitive evaluations, and through planning with forecasting and production and supply chain and operations programs designed to help our member owners and retailers stay ahead of the curve. We also have promotions and programs available for our owners to help create demand and incentivize through our programming. We also help them advertise and communicate their programs to their member owners and their growers. How does this fit into branded value added? Buy Winfield United as a sign of quality support and agronomic expertise throughout the industry. We offer more than just price. Our agronomic expertise, our sales support, and our quality assurance and reliability are what sets us apart in the industry. We are definitely not the low-cost leader. We provide support through programs and through testing and R&D to help our growers and our member owners and co-ops thrive in the agricultural industry. Our agronomics really do set us apart. With over 200 answer plot locations in all different U.S. geographies, providing seed and hybrid variety testing, including competitive products, and our nutrient monitoring and applications programs. Our NutriSolutions testing program, which tests for soil deficiencies for nutrients, and our plant root and leaf testing for disease and stress, help farmers with in-season management. Plus, Winfield United has over 25 research and development plots outside of the answer plots that provide analysis for farmers and test new products to help increase yield for our growers. How does ag technology fit in? Well, new technology can be used to improve product accuracy and enhance farmers' yield through climate mapping tools, nutrient monitoring, and crop modeling and simulations. We also have data analytics that can help co-ops and retailers in season management decisions by building inventory for certain products where they may have lacked last year, or also taking information from the industry and giving them customer buying habits and purchasing history so that they know which products have been selling historically in their area and which products have not. How has Winfield United used ag technology and IT historically? The R7 tool is a perfect example of how Winfield United has tried to extract revenue directly from an ag tech tool or service. The service is charged to the grower regardless of the success of the tool. AgriMind, on the other hand, is tied in with programs to incentivize co-ops and retailers to use and buy Winfield United products in order to gain access to AgriMind data. These programs drive sales and generate revenue. The revenue is generated from our high-margin Winfield United proprietary products. There's no access to AgriMind without that purchase, whereas R7 has been sold as a tool or a product on its own. We've had greater success with AgriMind. Current issues facing ag technology and Winfield United, as well as the agricultural industry as a whole. The ag industry is slow to adopt new technology. Fear of change and an aging farming population has been risk adverse and has not wanted to test out new ag technology tools. Variables have also inhibited successful trials. Erratic climates can affect the tool's efficacy. and it can be difficult to predict every scenario. Even if a product is successfully tested with a customer one year, it may not be successful the next year based on Mother Nature. If the product is being tested and it's unsuccessful, the customer may abandon ag technology tools altogether or simply switch to a competitor. This has been an issue in the ag technology space. I love the R7 promotional materials, and we know we were get R7 from the right genetics, the right soil type, the right traits, the right population, the right crop system, the right plant nutrition, and the right crop protection. 7 rights. What R is missing out of R7? The right strategy. I want to show you a few more tools that we can use to help us create a better business strategy for our ag tech and for our overall Winfield United proprietary business system. Using the SWOT analysis, we can review our ag tech market capabilities. As we look at our strengths, market access, being a 30% market share holder, we do command better access to customers than our competitors. We're a co-op, a member-owned business. That gives us some flexibility where other companies are going to be publicly traded and looking at share price. If the industry is on a downturn, they're going to have pressure to cut expenses, to cut technology expenses, where Winfield United and Land O'Lakes is able to continue on their course because our member owners know that there's going to be cycles and that they can weather the storm. Industry access and R&D, as we've talked about, all the tools that we said before with answer plots, all that information comes into play when a company is looking at someone to work with. Weaknesses. We are risk adverse. We know that. We're slow at developing new technology as well. Opportunities. Technology suppliers will be looking for a company to partner with, and with that 30% market share and with all those agronomic insights, we look like a good partner. Also, there's technology companies outside of the ag industry that could use their technology towards the agricultural industry, and if they're looking to make a jump, they're going to need that market access again, and who better than Winfield United? Also, we talked about an aging farming population that has been to the detriment of the industry for ag technology in the past. However, younger farmers are adopting new technology faster, and as more Generation X and more millennial farmers take over, they're attuned to the technology trends and they're more likely to adopt new technology. Threats. Google or an Apple type company coming from outside the industry and into this marketplace could be very disruptive. They have access to better technology and they are more risk averse and will move faster. Also, there's the potential for a competitor developing a new tool faster, or a basic manufacturer going straight to the customer and bypassing us, the distributor, to get access to that customer. That could be a problem as well. Another tool to utilize would be Porter's 5 Forces. It helps us look at different variations and how the market is affecting us. We look at the threat of new entry. Market access is very difficult. Customers can just purchase products and then resell them, but they're no different and there's no differentiation between anybody else that's doing that. So having the infrastructure there like Winfield United does provide a buffer for that piece. Buying power as well, because we've got market access, because we've got that share, that does give us an advantage. The buyer and end user are looking for new technologies and they're looking for a trusted person in that regard. So the threat of substitutes is very low. Customers are very loyal. They want to purchase from somebody that they trust, from somebody that they know. Supplier power is very low. There's many inert ingredient providers out there and active ingredient providers out there and seed manufacturers. China has also become a big player, which has dropped the cost and improved overall access to some of the products. Competitive rivalry, it is a small space. There's 6 basic manufacturers that are going through a consolidation phase, and there's 4 large retail distributor chains, including ourselves, that are in that space that control 70% of the market space. So between those players, there's a lot of jockeying for position, but outside of that, again, we have to look for potential disruption from outside the industry. The business model canvas for our ag tech business also gives us some insight into different important activities that take place at Winfield that don't take place at other industries, like we talked about before, our answer plot testing, key partners with our farmers, our co-ops, our independent retailers, different IT partners. It also allows us to look at key resources, IT infrastructure, also ability to access data, how do we maintain that data, look at different value propositions, the loyalty programs that we've created, customer relationships, customer segments, revenue streams, cost structure. The AgTech Business Canvas helps us look at things in a different way and see how much overlap there is between our customer segments, our customer relationship, and our key partners and activities to build you a better picture of the total AgTech potential for the company, but also how that translates to the overall Winfield United proprietary business. New aligned strategy for Winfield United: combine products into a bundled service in conjunction with all Winfield United testing R&D data. Basically take all the great things that we do to help us sell seed and crop protection products and bundle that in to help us sell ag technology products as a package. If you're buying a seed from us, you're buying crop protection products from us, you should be using our ag technology tools, and all those things together are creating a system, a program that you're taking a part of to help improve your agronomic experience and to help reduce your risk and to help increase your yield. This connects you to other rebate programs where you can take advantage of our lower prices, our agronomic expertise, and then it helps drive demand to other products that we make a higher margin for. So we'll build programs around total agronomics to establish a more competitive, larger competitive advantage and take advantage of the activities that we already do. That's really what it's all about, is looking at what our core strengths. As we've seen in the business canvas model, we need to focus on areas of core strength and capitalize on our market access and focus on key activities that we're currently doing for other programs to capitalize on our ag technology strategy and drive those products with our customers. We'll use our agronomic insights and expertise to attract new industry players through access to data. And we'll also provide farmer and member owners with complete packages of products and services, including ag tech and IT, to go hand in hand with our supply chain information and our analytics through our AgriMind system, as well as our crop protection product offerings and seed. Expectations from executive leadership would be to tie all the high margin products to exclusive programs. That means focus on our high margin revenue generating products to tie them in with our R7 tools, with the AgriMind program, with all of our analytics. Tying all that ag technology with all of our best-selling and high-margin seed and crop protection products will help us bundle them into a suite of products. That will require our leadership to leverage those tools for better loyalty agreements with the suppliers. The basic manufacturers are going to want us to sell their products in conjunction with these ag technology tools and with our gold, silver, bronze programs. Our leadership is going to have to push back. We're going to have to set limits on the products that we include in our specialty programs, because that'll help us keep proprietary products in those programs, driving revenue and creating a whole suite of Winfield proprietary products, as opposed to selling a package including vended products where there's very low margins. We also need leadership to help us invest in more programs to create a broader suite of products for Winfield United, and also to invest more in training for co-ops, retailers, and growers, and for Winfield United to build a better technology platform. The rest of the industry is going through a downturn with low commodity prices and cutting expenses. Winfield United needs to use this opportunity to invest in our future and create a successful platform for ag technology. That concludes my innovative technology strategy presentation for the day. I'd like to open up this time for questions and discussion. Thank you.